Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the job safe and visible. Unplug the fridge and remove magnets and contents from the door so you can move it easily. Next, open the service panel or gasket area to expose the latch. Use a Phillips to loosen visible screws, but do not remove everything yet. This first step lets you inspect alignment and fasteners. Once done, you'll know whether the issue is loose hardware, a broken latch, or misalignment before proceeding further. You now remove the inner panel or bezel to access the lock mechanism. Pry gently with a flat tool and keep screws organized. Once you see the latch assembly, test it manually to see if it binds. If it's electrical, disconnect power first and note wire positions with a photo so you can reconnect correctly. Look for broken plastic tabs, stripped screw holes, or bent striker plates. These are common failure points. Repair or replace the specific part, rather than the whole. You finish by installing the repaired or new latch and aligning the striker so the door seals snugly. Tighten screws until firm but don't crack plastic. Once reassembled, plug the fridge back in and cycle the door 10 to 15 times to verify smooth action and a consistent seal. Make sure to check temperature stability after a few hours. If the latch still sticks, try minor striker adjustments or a drop of silicone lubricant. If problems persist, consider replacing the entire latch assembly or contacting a technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.